Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your HP docking station G5 is showing a blinking light, it's usually trying to signal that something isn't quite right with power delivery, connection, or device communication. At first glance, it may seem like a serious hardware issue, but in many cases, that blinking indicator is simply a warning that the dock isn't receiving stable input or isn't properly linked to your laptop. Since docking stations handle multiple connections at once, even a small disruption can trigger that blinking behavior. The good part is that most of these issues can be resolved with a few focused checks instead of replacing the dock. In this video, I'll guide you through exactly how to fix the blinking light issue on your HP docking station G5. Try these. Step 1. Disconnect the docking station from power and unplug all cables. Step 2. Wait a few moments to fully reset the dock. Step 3. Reconnect the power adapter securely to the docking station. Step 4. Plug the dock back into your laptop using the main cable. Step 5. Restart your laptop to reinitialize the connection. Step 6. Check the light indicator and confirm it becomes stable.